It's 3:15 p.m. Time for afternoon tea. I am the fourth generation inheritor of Hong Kong style milk tea making technique. I am also a representative inheritor of intangible cultural heritage of Shenzhen. Chinese news media CGTN on 27 June 2022 published a video on a milk tea owner Yu Qingqi milk tea making technique. He says, once I drank more than 10 cups of milk tea in a single day to make sure that its taste met my standard while brewing the tea. Milk tea is the soul of Hong Kong style cafes. The hardest thing is to get customers to drink the same flavor every day. That's the biggest difficulty of making Hong Kong style milk tea. If you think of making tea as a metaphor for life, then a person's 30s is the best time of their life. He says, brew the tea at just the right temperature to give its own fragrance. Only when made it this way can we get a nice cup of tea. The technique of force pouring tea fully awakens the tea's flavor. Coordination between time and heat affects the quality of this pot of tea. The most important thing is that at this precise moment a lot of steam evaporates and this cup of tea is authentic. Actually, this technique is universal. The brewing time and chosen technique conspire to create the tea's flavor. In the schools during my lecture, I share all my knowledge with everyone. A foreign teacher once said, very good, very good. I was really happy to hear that. He said that the milk tea tasted even better than coffee. This tea's sweet aftertaste is particularly good today. Hong Kong style cafes are as inclusive as local culture. They combine Chinese and Western cuisine. The combination may seem simple, but it is actually a testament to the dedication, innovation and inclusiveness that people in Hong Kong SA are carried. Many people have asked me if I can express my love for milk tea in a single sentence. I tell them that milk tea is my second life. I hope that with my efforts more people will come to know and love Hong Kong style milk tea and Hong Kong cuisine to inject traditional culture into the Greater Bay Area and come to a better cultural appreciation of the Greater Bay Area. Thank you.